If we want to refuse anything, their demand, what is the best way, how to do this?
First of all, we don't want to refuse anything.
Okay.
Once you say this is not allowed, it is like a blueprint in their mind and they will feel that मैं तो ये नहीं कर सकता. Suppose अगर आपके बच्चे को एक H&M का शूज़ चाहिए और whatever they want, something fancy, and you say बेटा अभी ये नहीं ले सकते, इससे अच्छा तो ये ऑप्शन है. तो उनका एक माइंडसेट पड़ जाता है कि मैं तो ये कभी ले ही नहीं पाऊंगा. एंड जब वो फिर बड़े हो जाते हैं, इवन इफ दे हैव देयर पावर, दे आर नॉट एबल टू टेक द डिसीजंस. सो डोंट रिफ्यूज इट. यू कैन से लेट ओके आपको चाहिए, एक्नॉलेज दैट. I agree, you want that. I totally respect your choices. Tell me how can we move forward. आप 2 toys अभी मत लो, next month you save it for that toy and you get it. So now what is happening? He's learning that okay, I need to save. अच्छा मुझे मिलेगा पर मुझे थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा. अच्छा मैं इतने मार्क्स ले आऊँगा तो वो मुझे पक्का ही मिल रहा है.
What about this reward and punishment thing? Like, how does it works well? Sometimes I feel like that. Look, we are actually trying to bribe our kid.
Yes.
कि बेटा तुम इतना कर लोगे, I will give you a chocolate.
Yes.
And also they make a habit of doing this.
Correct.
So ये कैसे, इसको कैसे हैंडल करना चाहिए?
So what I do with my kid is I have a planner. ठीक है. Morning से लेके night तक that there is a planner, and in that planner 50 things are decided from my end, 50 things are decided from his end.
Okay.
And when we are doing the things, उसका एक स्कोरर रहता है. Like 10 टास्क हैं अगर 10 में से if he scores 7 in a day, and in the end of the month, if he gets around, you can say 50 pointers, he'll get something. So I'm not bribing him here. I'm just creating a discipline for him. That look, you have to learn this. क्योंकि मैं उसको नैग नहीं करना चाहती हमेशा. मैं उसके पीछे नहीं घूमना चाहती. I'm not a helicopter parent. So I must have some systems. अगर वो systems नहीं है तो he will not listen to me. And planner works because कुछ चीज़ें मेरी है, कुछ चीज़ें उसकी है.
क्या आइटम है प्लानर्स में? Like,
So affirmations हैं. He do chanting. राधे राधे का chanting करता है. राधे राधे is chosen by him. So one
how
spiritual.
many items are there?
10.
10 items
10.
are there for a month.
For a day.
For a day.
For a day.
Okay, so all
and
those
these
items.
activities or items का activity करते थे. These activities are not for a longer sort of period, like सिर्फ 10 minutes maximum.
Okay.
So affirmations. I have a card जिसमें 10 affirmations लिखे रहते हैं. He gets up, brush करता है, सबसे पहले वो affirmations पढ़ता है.
Oh wow, this is a
I'm
cool
strong.
technique.
I'm a resilient child. I'm having a great day today. So those affirmations are there. So as soon as he wake up, he tells himself that I'm the best. I can do it.
Since when he's practicing this affirmation?
You can practice it since like 1 year, 2.
No, I'm asking about your kid. Like sometime, like it's like how many
Yes.
days it is like he's practicing the affirmation?
He was in like class KG2 or something he started.
Hmm.
So पहले जब वो नहीं पढ़ पाता था, I used to read it for him.
Okay.
And I used to tell him that Nama is Namit, इसका मतलब ये होता है.
Is it like this that you have noticed any visible changes after
Yes,
he
of course.
started?
He has grown like a lot of, he is more confident. He knows what he is doing. And even if he face something like a tough situation, he is able to recover it more, effectively. So after affirmations, he'll do his chanting. I have also included yoga these days because I want कि कुछ physical होना चाहिए as soon as he gets up.
Anything more? And
That
I'm
time reading
more
is
into-
there.
I found this manifestation technique quite
Yes.
powerful.
Yes.
Like, can you give more details about this? Like how we can do this?
Yes. So, see, even God can't help you, or even the universe can't help you if you don't know what you want. So, you must have something to visualize because that gives you energy to live your day even better. That gives you an agenda to live, to grow, to goal. Like कुछ goal होना चाहिए मेरे life में भी कि मुझे ये करना है. तब जब तक manifest नहीं करोगे, even the universe will not listen to you. अगर आप manifest करके छोड़ दोगे और कोई दूसरा बंदा वही same चीज़ manifest कर रहा है with a good intent, he will get it.
Is there any do's and don'ts for this manifestation for the kids actually? Is there something like this that you should write all these things on their board and you shouldn't write all these things on your board? Is it like
it's
this?
not like you should not write anything.
Okay,
That's
okay.
what I'm saying. If you will say that हम ये नहीं कर सकते, it is already limiting their belief. Already they are going to schools. They
And,
are into a competitive
there
world.
are certain aspects that he has written.
Yes.
The manifestation board.
Yes.
Like how
like
how
the
you're
planner
fin-
you're talking about?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So what he has written is Radhe Radhe because अभी हम वृंदावन गए थे and वृंदावन में he was seeing people chanting. So his favorite color is red. So he was like, Mama, मुझे वो एक red counter आप ले ही दीजिए. So we got it and he is doing by himself now. Second is he reads 2-3 pages of book. Third, he wants to play with me for half an hour. अब वो क्या गेम होगा वो ही डिसाइड करता है.
Oh.
Because I have given him full control. ठीक है, जो बोलो, even pillow fight if he says that, I'll do that.
You're a good mom.
Yes. Yes. So if you will not give them that assurity कि बेटा I am yours, they will not feel that. वो connection build ही नहीं होगा.
What if you don't give time to play with him?
See, if you have promised something, you have to do that. अगर मैं नहीं दे सकती तो मैं पहले ही बोल दूंगी कि मैं नहीं दे सकती. अब मैं उसे ये नहीं कहती हूँ कि मैं नमित आपके साथ हर इवनिंग ही खेलूंगी. हो सकता है मैं बाद में खेलूंगी, बट मैं खेलूंगी. आई मेक श्योर वो हाफ एन आवर मैं आपके लिए निकाल रही हूँ. हो सकता है वो कंटिन्यूस नहीं हो सकता है 15 मिनट्स के गैप में हो, पर वो होगा. बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन यू माई वर्ड्स.
What if that is your bad day and you really do not want to play?
So I can tell him that, Namit, can I give you a hug?
Mm-hmm.
I'm really tired. I had meetings, like मुझे मेरी meetings थी, मेरे clients आए हुए थे. Even we had guests together. So can I just give you a hug and we can make it for that? And maybe Sunday ko if I get time, I'll play more with you.
True.
If you will communicate with them at their level, if you will watch in their eyes and if you will say, okay, I understand you. Okay, I know that you are having a hard time, but yeah, I'm also here for you.
True.
This will give them assurance कि हाँ चलो है, ये हो रहा है. And tell them that this is not new. Also, if they're experiencing something, suppose they are experiencing anger, suppose if they are angry, suppose if they are upset, if they are guilty. See, अभी मैंने 3 words use किए. Angry, upset, guilty. Most of the kids don't even know difference about this. Why? Because you have not taught them this. उनको लगता है यार पता नहीं मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. They are not able to regularize it. कि क्यों हो रहा है मुझे नहीं पता. क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं कि उन्हें क्यों एंगर फील हो रहा है, उन्हें क्यों गिल्ट फील हो रहा है, वो क्यों आज अपसेट है. So once they know the feeling, once they name that feeling, it's easy to regulate them.
Yeah. What is the feeling that usually most of us as typical Indian parents ignore about their kids?
Okay. So this is very classic one. When a child is explaining something to you, like mama आज ऐसे हुआ, you will listen to them for 5 minutes. After that you will say अच्छा मुझे अब please यार अब चुप कर जा, मुझे काम है. ठीक है? Indian parents mostly. And when they are not expressing something, you will say आज तो कुछ बता ही नहीं रहे हो मुझे.
Yeah.
तुम बता ही नहीं रहे हो स्कूल में क्या हुआ आज.
क्यों चुप है, क्यों बात नहीं कर रहे.
So जब वो बताना चाह रहा था, where were you?
That's so true.
एक बार जब उसे पता पड़ गया कि जब मैं मम्मा से कुछ बोल रहा था या बोल रही थी and she was not even there, ये तो मेन पार्ट था, ये मेरा क्लाइमैक्स था, but she was not there. Even one single incident like this will break him and you will not even know.